guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Just to address something, yes, I have not been around for a while. I planned my wedding, had my wedding, and then went on my honeymoon. I actually just uploaded my wedding video a few days ago, if you guys want to go watch that. That was not filmed by me, obviously, because I'm in the video. That was filmed by a local videographer. I'll have him linked down below. Welcome back to me, I guess. So I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. For those of you that are new here and don't know, this is my favorite clothing subscription box, and I have tried a lot. Costs $10 a month. That's for like your shipping or styling fee, and they send you different size packages depending on how much you've kept recently. Yeah, I will have a few different discount codes linked down below, so just like you can try one, whichever one applies better to you. Without further ado, let's unbox. I'm so excited to be back and opening a Nadine West again. I'm already excited. It looks like it didn't come bundled. It looks like it did not come bundled, so I guess I'm just taking things out. I hear bells. Okay, so first we have this dress with like bells on the arm, and it's green and blue. I actually kind of like it just looking at it like this. It looks very hippie-y. Let's try it on. Okay guys, this is the Yanez dress for $23.99. I'm shaking my arms so you can hear the bells. This dress like ties to tighten and loosen in the front. So it doesn't have to be tight like this, it can be loose. I feel like this flatters my body more. You hear my arms jingling? I am in love with this dress. But not for the reason, well, you might be thinking this reason. I feel like this dress is a total fairy vibe. Like, this is something a fairy would wear from the bells. I just want to wear this dress and go play in the garden. I don't want to wear it in public. I don't think it's very flattering on me. I think it's too long. It goes past my knees. I think it's meant for a taller person to hit right above their knees. But, you know, short girl problems. But I love the bells. I think this dress is a total vibe, and to be honest, I think I might keep it because I'm so excited to garden in it. Next, we have an extremely soft pajama-like pink flannel button-down shirt. I'm already excited for this. I already know I'm going to love this, and I'm going to wear it to work. This is going to be a nice, bright colored shirt, but like, still appropriate. Let's try it on. Okay guys, next we have the Harper top for $39.99, which I do find a little bit more expensive for Nadine West. I'm not so used to that, but I love this top. I think this is so perfect for work, but it's still flattering and it's still very feminine and girly and cute, and I love that. Next we have a pair of black pants. They have these buttons and then they just come down like skinny jeans. I'm going to try these on, but to be honest, I don't think they'll fit, and I honestly don't have much faith in Nadine West's pants for my body type at least. I'm like as small as you can get in whatever size, like at whatever store, the smallest size you can get, that's what I'm going to get. Their pants never fit me, but let's try them on and see what I think. I also went ahead and put these on with the Amandine bottom, the black bottoms that I didn't have much confidence in, for $24.99, and I must say I'm impressed. And these things are actually fuzzy on the inside, and they feel like leggings, but they fit my waist, they fit my behind, like they actually fit me. They're a little bit long, so they're crinkly at the bottom, but I feel like that's okay. Overall, I'm actually really impressed, and I think I'm going to keep this whole outfit. This is the only one that's bundled. Here we have just like a little gold dainty bracelet. This is actually really cute and good for work. This is the Krista bracelet for $16.99, and I will be keeping it. Next we have just this basic v-neck with this crisscross black top. It has this gold button detail on the side. While I have this, there's also a pair of jean looking scrunchy things. Same as the other pants, I'm going to go ahead and try them on. I'm actually going to try them on with this shirt, but I just don't have that much faith. So let's see. Okay guys, next I have this Tinya top for $19.49. I think this is a nice basic top just to wear to work, just to like run to the grocery store. I feel like you could dress it up too with a cardigan, some nice jeans. Speaking of jeans, I went ahead and tried on Gia jeans for $29.99. They do not fit me perfectly. As you can see here, they're like bunchy here. They're kind of bunchy all the way down. When I put the shirt over it, you really can't tell, which once again, I'm pretty impressed for Nadine West, I must say. I was not expecting either of the pants to even come close to fitting me because they weren't sweatpants. Okay guys, so that is it for this Nadine West video. Don't forget to look down below for the different coupon codes I'll have. I'll have one for you to just get $10 off your first box if that's what you want to do. And free shipping, so it's like $20 off basically. I'll have one to get like 25% or something like that off if you keep your whole box. It's just up to you. I must say this is by far my most favorite Nadine West I've ever gotten. This is the most impressed I've ever been, especially with the pants. And I think y'all should give it a try if you want. Nadine West is definitely my favorite subscription box. It's definitely the most affordable for the best quality, and like I said, I've tried a lot. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you would like to keep seeing me. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.